Well, here we go, guys. So if you guys been following along, you know that I was able to remove the annoying sound that the tank makes. So right now nothing's happening, as you can see here, but if I turn it on, press the start, there we go, you see how the lights start moving, and now the tank will do what I want it to. It will turn left and right. None of that noise. If I press the button, it'll pretend like it's shooting, but there's no noise that goes with it, which was like really annoying. And let's see if it goes up. Look at that. It's an epic tank. Come on, look at that. It goes up and down like it's nothing. So the tank was cool. Everything was great. It was just that noise that I just couldn't deal with. So we've got it running just as it should. And I'll go up here like it.
Likey.